You're trying to line up two boards perfectly. You're chasing that clean, gap-free joint. Brand new table saw, slow feed, full focus. This is precision cutting. And just when you think you nailed it, you open the joint. And there's that beautiful little hollow staring back at you. Next morning, you're working on a miter joint. What could be easier, especially with a brand new miter saw? You make the cut, line the boards up, and somehow you manage to mess this one up too. Okay, maybe drilling a hole. That's simple, right? You just need one straight hole. One straight hole. Nope, somehow even this is off. At this point, I'm thinking, I own good tools, so why does nothing come out straight? And if you've been woodworking for more than 5 minutes, you've been here. Good tools don't automatically mean accurate cuts. Most of the time, the issue isn't the tool. It's that the blade, the fence, or the table isn't actually set to 90 degrees. And being off by even half a degree adds up really fast. This is where a digital angle gauge becomes a game changer. It tells you exactly where your blade really is, not where you think it is. I'm using a digital angle gauge from Klein, but any accurate one will do. If interested, you can find a link to this one in the description. Miter joints, same story. Let's make sure the blade is truly at 90 degrees and try again. Same tools, same wood. Completely different results. When it comes to drilling, a drill press is still the gold standard. Check it with an angle gauge, and you're set. No drill press? Try a drilling guide instead. You can find one on Amazon for about 10 bucks. It's not perfect, and it won't work for every situation, but it's a big improvement over freehand drilling, for sure. Straight cuts don't come from luck. They come from calibration. Dial in your tools, and the results will follow.